Health and diseases. Health is a state of complete physical, mental, and social well-beingness, and not merely the absence of any disease. What is disease? Condition of disturbance in physiological or psychological processes of body is called as disease. Types of diseases. According to duration, first type is chronic disease. Chronic diseases are those diseases which takes longer duration for curing. Example, hypertension, diabetes, cancer, asthma. These are all the examples of chronic diseases. Acute diseases. Acute diseases are those diseases which are cured in short duration of time. Example, cough, cold, and fever. Hereditary diseases. Example, Down syndrome. Diseases spread through contaminated air, water, food, or vectors are called as infectious disease. Common cold, flu, dengue are the examples of infectious diseases. Non-infectious diseases. Example, diabetes, heart diseases, etc. Some important diseases of present days. Number 1. Dengue. Mosquitoes lay the eggs in waterlogged places and thereby their population increases. Different species of mosquitoes spread different diseases. Dengue is spread by Aedes aegypti. This disease is caused by Den1 virus belonging to the type Flavivirus. Symptoms of dengue. Acute fever and headache, vomiting, pain in eye socket is very prominent symptoms. Decrease in platelets count that may lead to internal hemorrhage. Swine flu. Infection for swine flu occurs through pigs and humans. Viruses of swine flu are spread through secretion of nose, throat, and saliva. Symptoms of swine flu. Difficulty in breathing, sore throat, body pains are some of the symptoms of swine flu. Acquired immunodeficiency syndrome. This disease, AIDS, is caused by human immunodeficiency virus, HIV. In this diseases, victims suffer from various diseases due to progressive weakening of natural immunity. Diagnosis of AIDS cannot be confirmed without test in medical laboratories. ELISA test is used for its proper diagnosis. Symptoms of AIDS are person specific. Infections through animals. Rabies. This is a viral disease. It occurs due to the bite of the infected dog, rabbit, monkey, cat, etc. Virus enters the brain via neurons. Hydrophobia, that is fear of water, is one of the important symptoms of this disease. In this case, the victim shows extreme fear for water. Rabies is fatal disease. However, fatality can be prevented by timely vaccination before onset of symptoms. Symptoms starts to appear within 90 to 175 days of dog bite. Fever for 2 to 12 weeks, exaggeration in behavior, and hydrophobia are some of the symptoms of rabies. Diseases which do not occur through infections and body contacts are called as non-infectious disease. Such disease arises in human body itself due to certain reasons. One of the non-infectious disease is cancer. Uncontrolled and abnormal cell growth is called as cancer. Group of lump of cancerous cell is called as malignant tumor. Cancer can occur in various organs like lungs, mouth, tongue, stomach, breast, uterus, skin, and tissues like blood. Consumption of tobacco, gutka, smoking, alcoholism, lack of fiber content, that is fruit and leafy vegetables in food, excessive consumption of junk food like pizza, burger, etc. are some of the many possible reasons of cancer. Heredity may also be a reason. Symptoms of cancer: chronic cough, hoarse voice, difficulty in swallowing, incurable scar and inflammation, lumps in breast, and unexplained weight loss are some of the symptoms of cancer. Diabetes. The hormone insulin produced in pancreas controls the level of sugar, glucose in blood. If insulin is secreted in low quantity, glucose level cannot be controlled. This disorder is called as diabetes. Symptoms of diabetes which cannot be ignored: frequent urination at night, increased obesity or weight loss. Some reasons for diabetes: heredity, obesity, lack of physical exercise, and mental stress can cause diabetes. Heart diseases. Efficiency of the heart decreases due to decreased blood supply and thereby oxygen and nutrient supply to the heart muscles. Due to this, a heart has to perform more work that leads to stress on it. This may cause heart attack. If someone has heart attack, immediate consultation of doctor and treatment is necessary. Severe chest pains, pains in shoulder, neck and arms, cramps in hands, uneasiness, tremors are some of the symptoms that cannot be ignored. Smoking, alcoholism, diabetes, hypertension, obesity, lack of physical exercise, heredity, mental stress, anger, anxiety are some of the reasons of heart attack. Now we are going to learn misuse of medicines and the problems arising because of misuse of medicines. Sometimes some people take the medicines without prescription of doctor. Overdose of medicines may affect our body. Example, overdose of painkillers may damage nervous system, excretory system, liver, etc. Overdose of antibiotics may lead to nausea, stomach ache, dysentery, rash, white patches on tongue, etc. Generic medicines are also known as general medicine. These are manufactured and distributed without any patent. These medicines are at par in quality with branded medicines. Production cost of these medicines is very low due to fewer expenses on research as their formula is readily available. Lifestyle and diseases. Lifestyle includes the daily routine and the type of food. Nowadays, habits like staying in bed till late morning and going to bed late in night, frequent changes in meal timing, lack of physical exercises, consumption of junk food, etc. have been increased. Due to this, such peoples are getting sick frequently. If frequency of becoming sick is to be lowered, people should follow right lifestyle. It must include sufficient sleep, right food, yogasanas, pranayam, and physical exercise. Physical exercise should also be as per one's own capacity. Pranayam and yogasanas should be performed under the expert supervision. Vaccination is important to prevent the infectious diseases. Come on, let us understand the importance of blood donation. 1 unit blood donated by a person can fulfill the need of 3 persons at a time. For example, RBCs, WBCs, and platelets. One can save the life of 12 persons by donating the blood for 4 times a year.